everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Kalyani. Today our topic Roman numerals. Now let's see in this board I am giving some Hindu-Arabic numbers and Roman numbers. Now let's see here Hindu-Arabic numbers write converting to the Roman numbers converting to the Hindu-Arabic numbers. Now let's see here first bit. See here I am giving here some Hindu-Arabic numbers 1 to 15 questions, and here Hindu-Arabic system 1 to 15. Okay, here these are all numbers. Now let's see here second bit Hindu-Arabic. These are all Roman numerals to converting to the Hindu-Arabic numbers. Now let's see here first one Hindu-Arabic. These are all Hindu-Arabic numbers. Now converting to the Roman numerals. Now here 5 plus 2 expand form. First of all, to expand form, write this here 5 plus 2, that means 7. 5 plus 2, 7. Here Roman numerals 7 letters English alphabets there. I equal to 1, V equal to 5, X equal to 10, L equal to 50, C equal to 100, and D equal to 500, M equal to 1000. Okay. Now let's see here 7. 7 is the Hindu-Arabic number. Now converting to the Roman numerals. 5 plus 2, 5. 7. 5 plus 2. Okay. 2 times 1 coming. Here 5 means V. It is the Roman numerals. Now let's see here 10 plus 8. Expand form to converting to the Roman numerals. Easily Roman numerals. 10. 10 means here comes X. 8 means 5 plus 3. V, and 1 comes 3 times. Okay. Now let's see here 25. 20 plus 5. 10 comes 2 times. 10 plus 10, 20 plus 5. 5 means V. Okay. Now let's see here 30. 30. 10 plus 10 plus 10 to expand form. Again you write easily 10 X, X, again X, triple X, that called 30 Roman numerals number. Now let's see here 32. 30 plus 2. How to write 30? 10 plus 10 plus 10. 30 plus 2. 1 write 2 times. This is the 32. Okay. Again here for sixth one. 40 plus 9. 40. 40 how to write 40? 50 minus 10. 40. 50. What is that 50? L. Minus means write this place. XL is the 40. 9 means 10 minus 1. 10 minus 1. 10 here. Minus means 1. Write this place. Decrease the 1 number. Okay. It is the 49. Next. 100. 100 means direct one of the alphabet is there, that is called C. Okay, Roman numeral C is the 100. Now let's see here. 8. 5 plus 3. 5. What is that? 5. V. Okay. Here V. 1. Write 3 times. Okay. It is called 8. V-I-I-I. 8. Next 27. 20 plus 7. 20 to write 10 plus 10. Here 5 plus 2. Okay. 10 plus 10. X. 20. It is completed. Now 5 plus 2. Okay. 5 plus 2. Now it is the second 11. How to write 11? 10 plus 1. 11. Expand form to write afterwards to converting Roman numerals. Easily to write. 10 means what is the value? X. Add 1. That means before. Okay. Increase the 1 number. 10 increase 1. That is called 11. Okay. X I. Now let's see here. What is that value? 19. How to write the expanded form? 10 plus 9. 10 plus 9. Here 10. X. 9 means 10 minus 1. 9. It is the 10 minus 1 means X decrease 1. Now 25. How to write 25? 20 plus 5. 20. 20 means 10 plus 10. 10 plus 10. Or 10 writes 2 times. Okay. 5 means direct here V. Expand form. Right, and easily to Roman numerals. Now let's see here 80. 80 means 50 plus 30. 50 means what is the direct value? L. 30 means 10 plus 10 plus 10. Okay. Repeated numbers more than 3 times. Rule second. Here 10 plus 10 plus 10. 30. Okay. It is the 80. Next, afterwards, what is that? 44. 40 plus 4. 44. 40. How to write 40? 50 minus 10. 50 equal to L. Minus means decrease 1. Decrease 10. Okay. Plus 4. 4 means 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1, 4. Here I am writing here 5. Minus means decrease. That's why I am writing here in this place. Okay. It is the 44. Next 50. Direct value is there. That alphabet L. It is the 50. It is converting to the Roman numerals. These are all Hindu-Arabic numbers to converting to the Roman numerals. Okay. Easily write. Now let's see here second bit. These are all Roman numerals to converting to the Hindu-Arabic. Okay. Here 5. 5 plus 1. 5 plus 5 plus 1. It is 6. Okay. To expand to the form. Easily to write. Here 10 minus 1. 10 minus 1 comes 9. Okay. Here 25. 5 plus 1 equal to 6. 10 minus 1 equal to 9. 20 plus 5. 20 plus 5 equal to 25. Okay. Now 10, 10, 20. 5 plus 2, 27. 10 plus 10, 20 plus 5 plus 2. What value is coming? 20 plus 5 plus 2. 27. Okay. Now here x means 10. Okay. Now it is L x L plus x plus 1. L is 50 plus x is 10 plus 1. 6. 10 plus 50 plus 10. 50 plus 6. 10. 60 plus 1 equal to 61. Okay. Now here this value 4. 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1, that is called 4. Okay. Now let's see here. 1 writes 3 times. 1 writes 3 times. Here 1 plus I plus equal to 3. Okay. Now let's see here. 30. 10 plus 10, 20. 20 plus 10, 30. Plus 5. Okay. Here 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 5. 10 plus 10, 30. 30 plus 10 plus 10, 20. 20 plus 10, 30. 30 plus 5, 35. Okay. Now let's see here. X plus 2. X plus 2. 10 plus 2. That means 12. Okay. Here D. D is the 500. C is the 100. M is 1000. These are all English alphabets. It is the 50. L X. L means 50. X is the 10. L is the 50 and X is the 10. What value is coming? 60. It is the Roman numerals. Converting to the Indo-Arabic numbers. Indo-Arabic numbers converting to the Roman numerals. Okay. First of all, these are expand to the form and write this like. Okay.